What idea is involved? I'll start from here. Yeah. So here I'm going to drop a loop. Everywhere magnetic field is into the plane that is given. So definitely it's having a length L. Okay, this is the H is given us. So it will accelerate no due to weight. It will acquire velocity, say V1. By the time it arrives here, let's say it is having a velocity V. The moment this edge comes in contact with the magnetic field, there'll be EMF induced. So which end? This end will be positive, this will be negative. So this will behave like a cell of EMF E, then a current I will flow. How the induced current should flow? The induced current should be such that it should oppose the cause. Or the induced current will take shape like this here. Now this current I which is flowing will set up a BIL force. Weight mg will act. If this BIL force is equal to mg, then inside should be so that its velocity does not change during the period it enters the magnetic field. I think the question is something enters the magnetic field. No, again. Should not change. As long as it is entering, should not change. This is what you mean to say. BIL and this is mg. The same thing now also, because this will lie outside. So now also mg. No need to draw diagrams in exam. Just I think straight away you should think here. If BIL equal to mg, problem is solved. No? What is I is equal to? E by R. What is E is equal to? BLV. V equal to mgr by B square L square. So what is this V? V should be equal to root of 2gh. It's asking for that h. Squaring objective question, state type of questions will be targeted for you in advance. And now few things like it is moving with a constant velocity, no? So there will be heat generated. Agreed? From where this heat generated will come? Anybody wants to answer? Loop will not move. Loop will move vertically down only. I had to show diagrams. Tell me like here, once it starts entering, the velocity is constant. A current due to flow of current will be heat generated. From where this heat generated should come? Okay, I know resistor, I square R. From where, who will supply that energy?
Gravitational potential energy.
Yeah, decrease in gravitational potential is equal to heat generated. That's the only idea here. Decrease in gravitational potential will be converted into increase in thermal heat generated in the loop. See, no, we can't just end up with the answers here. We must think about the energy conversion in every problem. I think this is what I made a rule in the beginning of EMI chapter only. Just stick on to that rule. Because more than one options, what shall I ask? Tell me here.
So
teacher,
there is
what?
a work done by BIL force also. No, sir?
Okay, how you analyze? How to analyze? Yeah. Okay, BL does native work. Still my answer is same. Huh? Why I'm not taking work done by BIL? I think this also we have discussed. Oh, part of potential is converting to it and part converts in work done by BIL. Yeah, further put effort, slowly you
Work
are
done by
now.
the induced EMF cell. EMF cell.
Work done by induced EMF.
Charge will be flown like that also we can consider.
BIL force converts gravitational potential energy into heat.
Heat. Okay, there's a one explanation. Others, one more explanation. What I got is like a part of like a decrease in potential. A part will be converted into heat. A part will be converted into work done by BIL. So okay, fine. Heat generated, current flows heat generated as the loop is descending down, decreasing potential. What is work done by BIL? Where do it go?
To the field.
Where do it should go? BIL. If you look at the magnetic potential energy, it should also come, but in fact we do neglect. I think that's what the all our EMI, all in our EMI problems, the work done by BIL here, what happened? Magnetic interaction potential energy between the loop and the field will be there. We are not going to discuss that. We are not going to take that into the consideration. So therefore here work done by BIL is what will be converted into heat. So what BIL will do, it will convert the decrease in potential energy into thermal energy. It's like a conversion parameter. Work done by MG and BL are equal and opposite. So work done by BL, where do it will go? Convert into heat. Finish. Okay, don't complicate anything further, because at our level, we should think this much only. Don't bother about interaction potential between loop and field. It's a rule. You can better take it's a rule. At our level, we just neglect that particular thing. Decrease in potential energy convert into increase in thermal energy. And the work done by BIL force converts gravitational potential energy into this one, the thermal energy. It's like a converting parameter. Huh? The role of BIL is that one. Okay, I think this will be most dangerous question if it is put in advance. Huh? But at our level, the BIL here converts potential energy into heat. Let me write it. Decrease in equal to heat generated in circuit. Neglect magnetic interaction potential of loop. I'm making things clear. Well, let's not bother about that. If you mention specifically, okay, otherwise just leave it, you don't know anything